So apparently scientists are trying to bring back extinct animals now, like full-on Jurassic Park vibes. Except instead of dinosaurs, we're starting with fuzzy prehistoric elephants and weird birds that died out because they couldn't fly away from danger fast enough. Okay, so here's the deal. There's actual sciencey people, real lab coats and all, who are working on something called de-extinction. And it's exactly what it sounds like. They're trying to bring back animals that we as a species very helpfully drove into extinction. One of the big names doing this is a company called Colossal Biosciences, which, by the way, sounds like a fake company from a dystopian movie. Their goal? Bring back the woolly mammoth by 2028. Because nothing says solving climate change like shoving a 4-ton furry elephant into the Arctic and hoping it fixes permafrost. And that's actually part of the logic. They say reintroducing mammoths could help restore the tundra ecosystem by stomping on the snow and planting grass or something. I don't know, I'm not a mammoth, I just read the articles. And it's not just mammoths, they also want to bring back the dodo. You know, that bird that famously couldn't fly, had no natural fear of humans, and was primarily eaten into extinction by sailors and their pet rats. As you can see in this article, Colossal Biosciences, the headline grabbing venture capital funded juggernaut of de-extinction science, announced plans on January 31st to bring back the dodo. Whether bringing back a semblance of extinct flightless bird is feasible is a matter of debate. Yeah, let's bring that one back into our ultra survival of clickbait modern world. Can you imagine the dodo try to survive in 2025? One TikTok trend and it's over. Someone's gonna feed it the hot chip and live stream its emotional breakdown. Oh, and let's not forget about the Tasmanian tiger. Kind of a weird dog cat zebra hybrid that humans wiped out in the 1930s. Scientists are working on that one too because apparently we miss it now after ignoring it for 100 years. Here's the thing. Is the science cool? Absolutely. Jurassic Park level science. Is it smart? That's a little trickier. A lot of actual conservationists are like, hey, maybe instead of spending millions to revive things that we killed, we don't kill the animals we still have. And even if we bring back these animals, what are we supposed to do with them? Put them in zoos, toss them in their old habitats that don't even exist anymore? Give them Instagram accounts? And then there's the ethical questions, like, do these lab-grown dodos even count as real dodos, or are they just science experiments with feathers? Look, I'm not saying bringing back extinct animals is the worst idea humans have ever had. That list is very long and it includes things like NFTs and wet look genes. But maybe, before we start resurrecting nature's greatest elves, we fix the current mess we've got going. Anyways, I'll be here feeding my pet dodo organic freeze-dried worms or whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Gullo. Don't forget to like, comment, and tell me which extinct animal you'll let destroy society. Personally, I'm Team Giant Sloth. They were like 10 feet tall and vibed harder than anyone alive today. Peace.